Hello friends, weight is a very significant enemy for joints. If you are having a knee pain, weight is the biggest culprit for deterioration. So if you want to reduce your knee pain, it is very important that you focus on the weight loss. So in this video, we are describing you about home remedies that you can do at your home to reduce your weight. And these are very simple steps that you can take. Also, in the end of the video, I'll also be telling you about a specific medication that can help you to reduce the weight. So, do follow our video till the end. Now, let's start about a basic small things that you can do at your home to reduce your weight. First, very simple thing, avoid stocking biscuits, chocolates, ice creams and chips, wafers at your home. Don't keep it in your stock. Instead of that, start keeping fruits and vegetables, popcorns, oat cakes and unsweetened fruit juices. So fruit juices which are not sweetened. Also, stop keeping any kind of Coca-Cola, Pepsi, Fanta at your fridge. These are also sweetened beverages which have a very high calorie content. So don't keep them. So these things should not be available in your kitchen and in your home. This is the first and the foremost, a very nice simple trick which you can do to reduce your weight. What happens that you have a craving. So whenever you have a craving of food, it is a normal response that you will go to the fridge and just take some cake or some ice cream, or whenever you have a craving, you will go to the kitchen and have a biscuit. So this craving needs to be stopped. So stop keeping stocks of these things. Second important thing, drink a lot of water. Whatever amount of water you are drinking, increase the quantity of water that you are drinking and start drinking water before your meals. That helps in two ways. One, it fills up your stomach, and number two, it increases the metabolic rate. So the metabolism of the body is increased to increase the absorption of the water. So increase the quantity of the water that you consume on a daily basis. Types of food that you consume. So you need to increase the intake of fiber-rich diet, which includes fruits, vegetables and other diets which have high fiber content like oats. Also change the quality of the food that you take. So wheat free is a good concept. So avoid taking wheat in any form like bread or roti or chapati. Stop that. Instead of that, take jowar, bajra, makai, maize. These are good things that you can take instead of wheat. There are some superfoods, and these superfoods are very helpful when you talk about reduction of weight. And these superfoods are broccoli, shimla mirchi, akhrot, almonds, walnuts, apple, oats, tomato, yogurt, berries and dry fruits. So in any form. So these are superfoods which can help you to reduce the weight. Don't ever skip your breakfast. A balanced diet in form of a balanced breakfast is very good for a day long nutritive value. So you take a healthy breakfast, good protein content in your breakfast is must. Then you need to change your lifestyle. An active lifestyle is very important. Do a lot of aerobic exercises. Physiotherapy in any form is good. Zumba, yoga, pranayam are very good, and you can do a little bit of weights as well. Now let me talk about a little bit of low calorie diet or avoiding meals. So avoiding meals is equivalent to starvation, or a low calorie diet is equivalent to a starvation. So your body perceives it as a starvation and it goes into a starvation mode and it absorbs or reduces your muscle mass. But this is a thing which needs to be avoided, and that's why we emphasize on giving you a high protein diet and doing aerobic exercises with weights as well. So resisted exercise with weight will help you to prevent lose your muscle mass. So you need to do your exercises, you need to do aerobic exercise, and you need to do some kind of a workout in gym to prevent your muscles from losing mass. Very other important simple trick is using more spicy food. Mirchi or capsaicin in any form is good. So a good spicy diet is a diet which is rich in antioxidant, and that will help you to reduce your weight. As far as beverages are concerned, I have told you not to take any sweetened beverages. Coca-Cola, Fanta are bad for you, but you can take green tea and you can take black coffee. Both of these have a high quantity of antioxidants, and they are basically fat burners. So they burn the fat. Again, you should not add extra sweet or milk into that, because these you need to take as a weight reduction manures. So take them in their natural form. Black coffee and green tea are really helpful. Avoid using alcohol in any form. Alcohol is a very high calorie content food. So if you take a glass of alcohol is equivalent to a very high amount of calorie consumed. So avoid alcohol in any form. So alcohol, if you must have noticed that whenever you are consuming alcohol in high volumes, it increases your weight or increases your belly. So avoid using alcohol. That will also help you in reducing the weight. Important thing is you can add on probiotics to your food like lactobacillus. So these are available in sachet forms, and these are available in tablet form, and this will also help you to reduce your weight. Now there is a very new concept that has come up to reduce the weight, and that is called as an intermittent fasting. Intermittent fasting is basically a concept in India which is called as a Brat. So you avoid taking food at particular time in the day. So let's suppose you stop taking food from 10 o'clock in the morning to 5 o'clock in the evening, or you stop taking food after 5 o'clock in the evening. So you take the food only during day hours, like from 10 a.m. to 5 a.m. and don't take the food in the night, or vice versa. So what that will do is that will help you in reduction of your weight. So you don't eat from 5 o'clock in the evening to 5 o'clock in the morning. So that is called as the intermittent fasting, and this is also very helpful in reducing the weight. Wheat free diet, I have already emphasized that this is also a very good trick to reduce the weight. Planning your meals is very important. Take small amount of meals, and frequent meals is preferable. Don't take a junk diet or don't take a lot of food at one go. So take small multiple meals, and that is usually helpful. Make a habit to see the diet value of any food that you eat from the market. So whenever you take anything, bring anything from the market, do see the calorie content, do see the constituents or the protein calorie ratio in a particular meal that you buy from the market. That is also very good. So that is called as a food audit. So audit everything, audit every food that you take. That is also a very important thing. Avoid maida, avoid refined carbohydrates. So instead you can take whole wheat. So if you are using a bread, avoid white bread, use a brown bread or the whole wheat bread. If you are using a pasta, avoid white pasta, prefer a brown pasta or a whole wheat pasta. So these are small things that you can do to reduce your weight. Now I come to the question that everybody of you has asked. Tablet or medication to reduce the weight. So as far as medication is concerned, there is a tablet which is called as an Orlistat. It is an approved tablet for weight loss, although it should be taken only with a medical prescription. The dose is 120 milligrams you can take it 2 to 3 times a day, ideally to be taken half an hour before your major meals. Also, you need to be aware that this medication works on reducing the absorption of fats in your body. So it may cause you a diarrhea kind of a symptom or indigestion. Also it reduces the absorption of the fat soluble vitamins, so it may cause some side effects. So ideally you should take it only with a medical prescription under guidance of a physician. Friends, I hope that by this video I have given you a very significant overview about how you can achieve a good weight loss. If you have any questions, you can write us on the comment box. Please do subscribe our channel Advanced Hospitals for similar educational videos. Thank you.